Stoicism is getting more popular because it is useful in real life, and because more people want to find a better way to live. What does it mean to be a Stoic? A Stoic person is someone who can handle tough situations or pain without expressing their emotions or complaining. You have control over your thoughts and feelings, not things that happen around you. Understand this, and you will discover power. Although it is true that Stoicism can make people stronger and calm during tough times and challenges, there are additional benefits to practicing it. For a Stoic, it's not just about being clear and calm when facing problems. It's about finding ways to live a good life and move closer to what the ancient Stoics called eudaimonia, which means being happy and having a sense of well-being. The founding of the Stoics. In ancient times, a man named Zeno found a place in Athens with pretty paintings on a porch. It was called the Painted Porch, and it had pictures of battles from myths. On this busy street, filled with many ancient Greeks and their traders, Zeno started to talk about his ideas with people who would pause and pay attention. Over time, a group would regularly meet to talk and argue about how to live a good life and what was necessary to be happy every day. These people who followed Zeno were the first Stoics. They were named after the porch, called the Stoa, where they talked about their beliefs. Even after more than 2,000 years, people from all around the world, from different backgrounds, continue to practice, study, and read about the teachings of Zeno and his Stoic philosophy. What do Stoics practice? You have control over your thoughts and feelings, but not things that happen around you. Understand this, and you will discover inner power. The old Stoics believed that since humans are naturally social beings, they can find happiness by connecting with others. Accepting the world as it is means not fighting against it just because it's not how we think it should be. In order to handle the urge to find happiness and enjoy good things, as well as to avoid feeling uncomfortable, we need to learn how to manage these desires. Using our logic and reasoning to understand the world around us without being influenced by personal opinions or feelings. We need to work together as a community and treat ourselves and others with fairness and justice. The Stoic philosophers made a system to help them live by the principles they believed in. This system had two main parts. Living with virtue means living a good and moral life. It means being kind, honest, and doing what is right. It means having good values and striving to be a good person. Looking at the world using logical thinking and rationality. What does it mean to live with Stoic virtue? Stop wasting time arguing about the definition of a good man. Come together as one. The Stoics believe that we can be happy and successful by living a good life. When we stop acting virtuously and start giving in to our urges, desires, and bad habits, we start experiencing negativity, suffering, and poor mental health. The four Stoic virtues are: wisdom means being able to see things exactly as they are, without being influenced by personal feelings or opinions, and considering the full situation. Temperance means being able to control ourselves even when we really want something, have strong urges, or feel scared. Courage means doing what we think is right, even if we are scared or uncomfortable. Justice means being fair and doing what is best for the community. Stoicism tells us that by following these four virtues, we can become happier and more satisfied with life, which is something many of us want. Stop wasting time arguing about the definition of a good man. Come together as one. The Stoics believe that we can be happy and successful by living a good life. When we stop acting virtuously and start giving in to our urges, desires, and bad habits, we start experiencing negativity, suffering, and poor mental health. The four Stoic virtues are: wisdom means being able to see things exactly as they are without being influenced by personal feelings or opinions, and considering the full situation. Temperance means being able to control ourselves even when we really want something, have strong urges, or feel scared. Courage means doing what we think is right, even if we are scared or uncomfortable. Justice means being fair and doing what is best for the community. Stoicism tells us that by following these four virtues, we can become happier and more satisfied with life, which is something many of us want. What does it mean to view the world with logic? Logic helps a person understand what is happening, think well about everyday matters, stay firm in confusing situations, tell what is definite from what is likely, and more. The Stoics thought that you can't live a good life without using logic. This happens when someone can't think logically. They can't tell the difference between what is true and false, lies and truth, and what makes sense and what doesn't. Stoic logic relies on propositions, which means that any statement I make is either true or false. Afterwards, we can create more complicated sentences using the first sentence as a basis. For instance, I can say, "It is currently raining." If it is raining, you can say, "It is cloudy," because rain needs clouds. This makes sense. The Stoic can use this reasoning to understand and live their life. For instance, I understand that I can control some things, but there are also some things that I cannot control. I understand that when I pay attention to things I cannot control in life, I cannot make any changes to them. So, when I try to change these things, I'm not only wasting my time, but also taking time away from changing the things I have control over. If I don't use logic, I won't be able to figure out what I can control and what I can't. I also won't realize that trying hard at something I can't change is a waste of time. So what does it mean to be a Stoic? In simple words, a Stoic is someone who looks at the world with logic and objectivity and accepts things as they are. Then they take responsibility for how they react to what they go through and try their hardest to act in a good way. By doing this, the Stoic becomes smarter, more balanced, fair, and brave. In simpler terms, they not only learn to be okay with things they can't change, but also take ownership of things they can control. As a result, the Stoic becomes calm, knowledgeable, understanding, mature, and open-minded. This is what being a Stoic means to me.